Oh yeah.
He's a badass. No,
Dude, hey, just look at the drummer in this video, dude. He gets down.
it's kind of sad though.
It's kind of, well, it's a little sad.
Do they live in Liverpool?
They live in Manchester, actually.
That's by Liverpool, right?
What?
That's kind of by Liverpool.
I have no idea. I've only been there 5 times, so I haven't been there enough to make me laugh.
So is that John Lennon's son though?
It's his niece, actually.
Or his nephew, almost.
It's his niece. Had a sex change. A lot of people don't know that. Check out the drummer, dude. He's getting down. I forget the drummer's name. I think it's Rufio.
Are you sure that?
I'm pretty sure.
Sure
I'm pretty sure it's Rufio.
Are you sure these aren't the Beatles?
No, dude. I don't think they are.
They kind of look like the
It
Beatles.
says Oasis.
Is that George Harrison? Not him.
Is that Rufio? Oh, you mean
Is the guy in the red? Is that George Harrison?
Okay, Rufio does not look like Ringo at all. So, I don't know what you're thinking.
Wait,
Well, maybe
wait,
he does.
wait, not him. Is that no, not him. No. Is that George? Wait.
Oh, no, him?
No,
Him?
not him. No, not him. No, that's Noel.
No, that's...
Him. Is that George Harrison? That's George Harrison, I think.
Wait, is it?
I think so.
Georgie?
I just want to be myself, though. I wish.
I'm into Alka-Seltzer. Look how you fucking run. Helicopter. Dude, I saw like 50 planes fly by in this video.
Dude,
There's a lot of planes flying over there.
that's wild.
Look at how he runs.
I heard they all run like that in England. At least UK.
Yeah.
What happened to Liam? I thought Liam was around here somewhere.
That's him right there.
What is he playing? Bass?
He plays mouth.
Shit.
Liam's the singer, dude.
Is that Liam singing?
Yeah, Noel's the guitar player.
I thought that was Noel the whole time.
No, that's
They look the same. They look the same.
No, they don't. Noel's
Liam-
playing the drums.
Liam-
He's Rufio, dude.
Noel looks like a young Liam.
I guess. Maybe.
But, like, in the future. And the drummer's in denial.
Drummer's in denial. Another airplane. I should have counted. I should have done an airplane count.
Well, what about the bird? You see the bird?
Yeah.
See, Liam doesn't give a fuck. He doesn't care. He's gonna disappear if he
taking a
wants
shit.
to. If he wants to disappear, he'll disappear. If he wants to walk on stuff
He's
and
walking.
water,
He's walking on water.
he'll
right
do
now.
it. And you know what? He doesn't care.
He's like, hey, I don't write the songs.
He says, "See you later."